Emotional Poverty, Book 1, is an overview of basic emotional constructs that individuals have that help them build their emotional selves. So just some basics about emotions from the clinical research in neurobiology. Number one, all emotional wellness is based in two things, safety and belonging. So if you or I and a human being get upset, we think our safety or belonging has been jeopardized. Number two, emotions are fast. They're very fast, 200 to 5,000 times faster than thought. So when a student says to you, I don't know what happened, it just happened, they're telling you the truth. Number three, your emotional self is established by the time you're 3. Many researchers believe that the brain is highly constructed by the time you're 6. And one of the things we know is that you learn the emotional realities before you have language, so you act on it even though you don't know why.